Sammi, you're making a heart shape with your hand. Don't hide your face. That's antisocial. It's not a picture, it's a video. Wave, Becca.
I hate you. I hate where you came from and I hate where
Now, no need to quote that. That was not fair. Especially in Subway. No one notices when I take videos of them. It's great. Ah, now. Okay. I don't care what you do with your fingers, but don't do it in Subway. Stop making heart shapes at me. It's creepy. There we go. You're praying now. You're a good girl. Stop that. Alright.
You know, don't you?
Okay then.
Here.
No.
I didn't agree to that. Go away. I'm gonna be emo now.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna sue you
For what?
for taking my photo without my permission.
It's not a photo, it's a video, bitch.
Well, that's even worse. I'll sue you
Plus
more.
it's legal.
It's not. Not if I
Kinda legal.
And my parents haven't given permission.
Your parents
Still
gave
got
lots of
Becca's
permission.
magical trick, but you didn't really need permission for that. When she poured friggin' 5 milliliters of water all over my leg.
5 milliliters?
500 milliliters.
Go away. I don't like the cords. I don't want to that much in the bottle.
Do you want your phone back?
Yes, I want my phone back. Whole face.